purity of benzocaine can be assessed through its melting point. Pure materials tend to have sharp melting points, where impure materials have a melting point range. Now, this is not always the case. Some pure compounds have a melting point range as well. There are many different types of melting point apparatus, but they all are essentially a heating mantle to which a thermometer is attached. This may be a thermocouple in the case of a digital readout. The first step is to get some of the solid into a very thin capillary tube that's sealed at one end. Any damp product will not tap into a capillary tube. If a product is suspected of being damp, it should be dried out in a drying cabinet for at least half an hour. You need a 5 to 6 millimeter height of your product. The capillary tube then fits into the heating block, and most machines allow you to run multiple samples at any one time. This particular melting point apparatus allows you to ramp up or quickly speed up the time it takes to heat to just a few degrees below your expected target, and then to slow the heating to be able to get a more precise melting point. One simply looks through the lens, through the window of the apparatus, and judges when the solid becomes liquid, and make a note of the melting point. Used capillary tubes are considered sharps and should be disposed of in a sharps waste bucket or bin.